The England app is very easy to navigate and puts almost everything you need to know right at your fingertips. Down the left side of the screen, you'll see some links to various videos about England Furniture and the products we manufacture. You can scroll down to see more selections. The images in the middle section are a convenient way to browse the England catalog of products. Selecting one will open a window very similar to the England Furniture website. Selecting an item will take you to a page with more information about that item. On the item page, you have a link to help you find other pieces in the same collection. You can apply different fabrics to the piece you selected to see what your custom design will look like. And you can find more information about the piece. Back on the home screen, you will also see a convenient version of England Furniture's delivery schedule. Select the date that you will place the order with England and you'll see the week that the furniture will be available to deliver to the customer's home. England will deliver the product to your warehouse the week before the highlighted delivery week, so the highlighted week is the week that the customer will be able to receive their furniture. You will also see what will soon become your favorite part of the England Furniture app, the Quote Builder. Click Build a Quote to get started. You can start adding items to the quote by selecting the Style button. Use the numbers and letters on the left to start entering the item number. As you start entering the item number, there will be a slight delay while the system starts to process your request. After a couple of seconds, you'll see some things change. A list of the items that start with the number you entered will appear, and you can select the item you want from that list at any time. You will also see the numbers and letters down the left side will change to only show next choices that result in a valid item number. For example, if you enter a 4 as the first number, notice that 2, 4, and 8 are removed from the choices. That's because, at the time this video was made, there were no England item numbers that start with 42, 44, or 48. So you are only seeing choices that will continue creating a valid item number. This feature may seem slow, but it is actually faster than requiring you to type the entire item number, and it eliminates the possibility of entering an invalid number. Let's continue entering the item number so we see fewer choices on the list. As you enter more of the item number, the list of possible items gets shorter. Let's use the 4355 sofa and see how to select the fabrics and get the final price. Now that you have the item selected, you can start specifying fabrics. Let's add the body fabric first. Entering a fabric name works the same way as entering an item number. If you enter the letter B, for example, you will only see fabric names that start with B. You'll also notice that the list of next letters to choose from changes to only show letters that continue spelling a valid fabric name. The more of the name you enter, the shorter the list of possible choices becomes. When you see the fabric you want, just select it from the list. You add the pillow fabric the same way that you selected the body fabric. After you enter all of the fabrics for the piece, you will be able to select any options you want to add to it and change the quantity if you need to. Once everything is set, simply select the Add button to add the item to the quote. If you want to add more items to the quote, select the Style button and repeat the steps. When you are finished, you can double-check the items, the fabrics, and any options you added. Use the blue box with the picture of a pencil to edit an item, or the red box with the X to delete an item. When you are finished, you will have the retail price of each individual item as well as the total for the quote. Select the Email Quote button to send the quote. Enter the email address and then select the Send button to email the quote. If you want to send the quote to someone else, you can select the Email Quote button again. When you're finished, select Close. The quote will be sent as a PDF file attached to an email. It will contain all of the information necessary to convert the quote into an order. We recommend that you always email the quote to yourself so you can print it, save it, and forward it as needed. There are other features and functions in the app that you can learn as you use it, but you now know everything necessary to start using the app to sell more furniture. Please know that over 1,500 employees at England Furniture appreciate what you do every day, and we thank you for choosing to sell England Furniture.